At all, the topic which we are going to discuss is single component phase diagram. We can call single component phase diagram or unary phase diagram, where the component is only one for this case. Actually, phase diagrams are classified into unary phase diagram, binary phase diagram and ternary phase diagram. In that, single component phase diagram or unary phase diagram is a basic and simplest form of phase diagram. We'll see one by one. What is single component phase diagram? It is the simplest type of phase diagram. It has only one component. That is, it can have a carbon or iron or H2O or like that. We can have a different phase diagrams for each and every material. It has two variables such as temperature and pressure. For example, water system, carbon system and iron system. As we mentioned as an example, water system, it has a single component like water only, but it can have many phases, but the component is a single one. In case of carbon phase diagram, it can have many phases, but component is one. So we can call this system as single component phase diagram or unary phase diagram. For an example, water is a single component phase diagram. We'll explain one by one. In this, we have taken temperature and pressure. These two are variables in case of water system. It has only one component, that is water, and it has two variables, that is temperature and pressure. When we heat the material, that is when we heat water from room temperature to higher temperature, what it happens, that explains the phase diagram, that is explained by phase diagram. In this case, we can see we have a triple point, where triple point means where this material has three phases in a equilibrium condition. That is, it can have a solid phase, liquid phase and a vapor phase. Water has liquid phase, solid phase and vapor phase. That point is called as triple point, and that temperature is called triple temperature. Then we are having critical point, where critical point is nothing but it's a base between vapor and a compressible liquid. So we are having critical, super critical fluid and compressible fluid. Now we'll see the degrees of freedom for water system. Now we'll see the degrees of freedom for the water system. If there is only one phase is available, then we can say component is 1, phase is 1, variables is 2, and so degrees of freedom is also 2. For this case, in the single phase region, both temperature and pressure can be varied independently. We can vary the temperature as well as pressure independently. So we can change the phases. Hence the curve shown in the figure, which is bivariant. When we have two phases are in equilibrium, then we can have component is 1, phases are 2, number of variables is 2. So the degrees of freedom is 1. In this region, either temperature or pressure can be varied independently. Hence this phase diagram is univariant. When three phase equilibrium, when we have three different phases that exist at triple point, then we can have component is 1, phases are 3, number of variables are 2. So F is equal to 0, that is degrees of freedom is equal to 0. In the single phase region, temperature or pressure cannot be varied arbitrarily. Hence the curve shown in the figure is invariant. So a single water system, single component system, that is water system, can have a univariant, invariant and bivariant phases at different phases. Then we can see another example, one component system of iron. In this single component system, temperature and pressure are the variables but not composition. It has three different regions. This iron phase diagram has three different regions: single phase region, two phase region, three phase region, as like of water system. So we can have the diagram of single phase diagram of ion system. In this we have taken pressure and temperature are two variables. Pressure is taken in x-axis and temperature is in y-axis. At 800 degree, that alpha ion is going to become a gamma ion. At 1600 degrees, gamma ion becomes alpha ion, that is liquid ion. Under pressure, when we control the pressure at 125 kilobar, the alpha ion is going to become a sigma ion. Okay, now we'll see the different phase regions and its degrees of freedom. When there is only one phase, the degrees of freedom is 2, like water system. So this diagram is an bivariant one. When two phases are in equilibrium, then we can have degrees of freedom is 1. So in this phase, either temperature or pressure can be varied independently. So this system is univariant. In three phase system, that is a triple point, the degrees of freedom is 0. That is, the system is invariant. That means the temperature or pressure cannot be varied. Okay. In this we have seen single component system or one component system, or we can say unary phase diagram with an example of water system and ion system. In that we have seen the degrees of freedom with the reactions. Thank you.